Welcome to Portie's Garage. Today we're going to take you on a journey of how T-Dog acquired his 1983 Foxbody convertible Mustang. This was the first year the convertible came out again after a 10-year hiatus. It's also the first year the Mustang wore the blue oval Ford badge. See T-Dog towing her home all the way from southern Ohio with his Ford F-150. You might have seen this in a few of the videos. A few more tidbits on this Mustang Foxbody. This is a Mustang GLX, and '83 was the only year the GLX was available. It also had the introduction of the Ford-Warner 5-speed manual transmission. Some of the 83s got the old Ford speed, but this one has the new 5-speed. Here T-Dog's working on some paint correction. Now you can really see the difference. This interior's no good. I think T-Dog's got something better in mind. This car originally came with steel wheels with wire wheel covers. This has some upgraded alloys, but I think T-Dog's got something better coming. Here's a look at this tired white interior. T-Dog's got a really good plan for this. With a little help from his mom, we're going to get this looking sharp. Gotta add in a little vinyl dye to bring it all together. Another interesting note on the convertibles, they actually were not built by Ford. Ford made the notchbacks and shipped them to a company in Brighton, Michigan called Cars and Concepts, who chopped them up and made them into convertibles. she is, all cleaned up, top down, and showing off the new interior. Boy, does this look nice. No mistake, T-Dog spent a lot of time cleaning up this engine compartment, getting on this air cleaner. Here's the exhaust, an aftermarket Flowmaster 50 series.